close your
All right, so you're either an accounting major, you're thinking about accounting for your career, or I don't know, maybe you're just interested in accounting. Now, accountants can earn salaries ranging anywhere from $45,000 to $100,000 to $200,000 to $300,000 to $400,000, $500,000. Really, it's hard to say what you could possibly get as an accountant. The highest paid accountant actually owns Nike, and he's worth like $25 billion. So, you know. So the question is, for just a regular career accountant who either works in audit or tax or something like that, why can they make so much money? Why can you make $200,000 a year? Why can some auditors make $280,000 a year? And the question is really answered by just asking the question, why can anyone earn a high salary? You earn a high salary based on one fact only, and that is, what value do you provide? You know, like, how can we quantify the value? Not quality, it's not really about quality, because if that's the case, teachers would have astronomical salaries, because they provide, I was taught accounting by a teacher or a professor. So you would think that somebody who's teaching children how to read and write should have a crazy salary, but it's not really the case. And that's just because the service that they provide does not, the quantity is not quantified. It's not like they can justify large amounts of money. It's just not bringing in large amounts of money. I mean, college is. Now, college is a good business to be in if you're a for-profit college. I mean, they are quadrupling profits. But why can accountants make such large salaries? Or why would anybody make a large salary? Why could LeBron James make 30 million, 50 million in a year or something like that? And that's because they can quantify it. He brings in more money than, they're paying him, right? Why can he get 100 million? Well, every year that he plays in whatever city he plays in, they say he can probably earn about $1 billion for that industry, for that city. So $100 million is only 10% of what he's actually bringing in for the city. So if you provide a value, then people will pay you for that value. So why can accountants and auditors and auditors are accountants, but why can an accountant make a lot of money? And that's because the service they provide or their value can be quantified, right? So let's say you work for a Big Four company and there is an audit. And this audit is of, let's say, a company, let's just say Walmart, right? So let's say Walmart makes $500 million a year, right? So one thing wrong in the internal controls could cost Walmart $100 million, $21 million, $50 million, something like that. So what is $100,000 to pay in a salary for even 5 auditors? What's $500,000 if you're gonna save $50 million? And so that's pretty much why auditors can make large salaries, and they may only work on that audit for like maybe half a year, and then they move on to another audit. So it's not hard for them to justify the amount of salary that they receive, and that's pretty much why accountants earn a lot of money, or have the potential to earn a lot of money. For instance, just another example, most people go to someone to do their taxes. It's something that people really don't generally. Now, of course, some people still want to do their own taxes, but most people go to somebody to prepare their taxes. Even I go to someone else to prepare my taxes. My taxes can be complicated. So, but the average person does not do their own taxes. They go to someone who knows tax better than them, such as an accountant. And so because of that, just the sheer anxiety of having to do your own taxes or not even knowing how to do your taxes, you're willing pretty much to pay just about whatever they charge. You don't even find out how much they're charging usually until the end. And they say, okay, this is going to be this amount. And you're like, oh, I only got 500 back. Well, I was only going to get 500 back and you want 300 of it. Okay, I have no choice, right? And so it's just the value that you provide. If you're going to give me 500 that, help me get 500 back on my refund, I guess it's worth 300. At least I keep 200, right? Or, hopefully that's not happening to you. I'm just giving you an example. But that's pretty much why accountants can earn high salaries. I'm an auditor. I love audit. I never did tax. It is kind of fascinating, just a little bit, just because, I don't know, I guess because my taxes can be complicated. I don't know, it's just interesting. And so tax is a very elaborate system, and it's constantly changing, and it's constantly, you have to constantly stay up on it. And because of that, I'm willing to pay somebody else right now to do my taxes. And so most people are. And that is how you can get a lot of money doing accounting work, audit work, assurance services. I'm not sure if you guys know what assurance services are, but you should definitely look into it if you ever think about starting your own business or anything like that. Anyway, my name is Casino. Follow me on Instagram at KingCasino1 if you got any questions. You can hit me on Instagram, or you can email me at iamkingcasino@gmail.com. I'm here for all your accounting needs, man. Let's get these accounting degrees. School just started back. Let's get it. Yep.
I remember being in the hood, right? We used to be talking about what we was gonna do when we get on. You heard me?
Baby, I'm Scotty.
Shit crazy, right? This shit so crazy, right? Like, now look around, and I can't do nothing but thank God. Heard me? You put this kind of hustle in me. Made something out of nothing, you heard me? I done made $1 million by myself, yeah. Count 100,000 by myself, yeah. GC on the mob and we still here. Ain't about the money, don't call here. I done made $1 million by myself, yeah. Count 100,000 by myself, yeah. GC on the mob and we still here. Ain't about the money, don't call here. Made $1 million by myself. Count 100,000 by myself. Yeah. Okay, I just went to sleep and had $1 million dream, yeah. Everybody rich, I'm with $1 million team, yeah. Put up in the bin, tell my mama I'm a king, yeah. They say money talk, well I'ma make that money scream, yeah. And the money ain't a thing. It's $1 million dream. Made $1 million on my own. Count 100,000 all alone. I done made $1 million by myself, yeah. Count 100,000 by myself, yeah. GC on the mob and we still here. Ain't about the money, don't call here. I done made $1 million all by myself. I didn't have no help. I done made $1 million all by myself. I didn't have no help. I done made $1 million by myself, yeah. Count 100,000 by myself, yeah. GC on the mob and we still here. Ain't about the money, don't call here. I done made $1 million by myself, yeah. Count 100,000 by myself, yeah. GC on the mob and we still here. Ain't about the money, don't call here. Let them haters hate, that's just how I feel. I done made $1 million, I done made $1 million. Let them haters hate, that's just how I feel. I done made $1 million, I done made $1 million. I done made $1 million by myself, yeah. Count 100,000 by myself, yeah. GC on the mob and we still here. Ain't about the money, don't call here. I done made $1 million by myself, yeah. Count 100,000 by myself, yeah.